Do you want to grow your own fresh, crisp, delicious onions right at home? Let me show you how. First off, before you get planting, make sure to choose a super sunny location. Onions love the sun, and also make sure that you choose a location with super well draining soil. Make sure to amend your soil. I've already done that here. My favorite flavor to use is the mySoil Garden Booster. You could also use your favorite manure or compost. So at the time of planting, I'm gonna go ahead and just sprinkle some of the myGarden 444 granular and just kind of work that into the soil a little bit. April is an ideal time to be planting onions, but just make sure that we're about 7 degrees Celsius for your soil temperature at the time. So we're gonna plant our onions with the root sides down, and we're just gonna go about 1 inch into the soil and cover it up, just like that, super easy. And that's it. With these simple tips, you'll have fresh, beautiful onions in no time. Happy growing.